Another one on the calendar, Senate Bill 487, item number 43, and there is an amendment on the bill.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In order to get the amendment on the bill, I will move the bill. It is, as you said, Senate Bill 487.
The chair seconds the motion. An amendment.
The amendment number is 3868, and the amendment makes the bill. So I'm gonna go ahead and describe what it is.
Well, let's get it on there. Senator White moves the amendment, and Senator Rose seconds it. All in favor of the amendment, say aye.
Aye.
No, I have it. Thank you very much. Go ahead, Senator, as amended.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And members, some of us were in the General Assembly when the General Assembly filed an SJR, which was SJR0467, which allowed the General Assembly to retain counsel where the Attorney General did not pursue litigation. But we passed a resolution authorizing the Attorney General to retain counsel to pursue a claim against the federal government with respect to the refugee resettlement. We lost that case because the court, and it went all the way up to the Supreme Court, we didn't have standing to sue. They threw it out because only the Attorney General had standing. And so what this bill does would give the necessary statutory authorization and standing to allow the General Assembly to file an action in federal court on behalf of the state of Tennessee in the future should the need arise. The executive branch has the ability to retain counsel in addition to the Attorney General to file an action on behalf of the state should the need arise. This places us on the same footing as the executive branch. The bill incorporates language suggested by the Attorney General's office. They do not oppose the bill, but this would allow the General Assembly to retain counsel to represent the state, and as long as the attorney will provide the services at no legal cost to the state. And there are nonprofits, just like there was in that case, that will represent us occasionally. And so, but that's one of the terms of the deal, is that if we are going to hire them, they have to do it without any cost to the state of Tennessee. And with that explanation, I'll be glad to take any questions.
Any questions for the sponsor? Seeing none, I'd like to close.
I appreciate your vote. That was a case I wish we'd have won it, but we lost before we ever got started.
Thank you. Madam Secretary, take the vote, please.
Senator Kyle votes aye. Senator Lamar is not here. Senator Lundberg votes aye. Senator Roberts. Senator Rose votes aye. Senator Stevens votes aye. Senator Taylor votes aye. Senator White votes aye. Chairman Gardenhire
Aye.
votes aye.
Thank you. Robert's aye. So we have 8
ayes, Chairman.
8 ayes. Your bill as amended goes to counter. Thank you, Senator Stevens. Senator Lundberg.